Hi, my name is Natalie Kelly, and I'm going to be the speaker for my group's Marine Science Research Project. Our group's name is Paw Patrol. Our group members and the jobs are: our speaker is Natalie Kelly, our researchers are Max Rios and Marissa Garrett, and then our slide creator was Jaden Perez. The sea animal that our group decided to do research on is called the Cassera pacifica. It is also commonly known as the Pikachu sea slug. The Cassera pacifica is a type of sea slug called a nudibranch. It is also found in the same family as mollusks. Currently, there have been 3,000 recorded species of nudibranch discovered in the world. They are almost 100% restricted to saltwater, with the exception of the few that can survive in lower salinity, brackish water, and can be found in oceans around the world. Nudibranches can be found in all depths of the sea, ranging from 2,300 feet to 8,200 feet. The diet of the sea slug consists of sea sponges, algae, small anemone, different kinds of corals, and barnacles. The Cassera pacifica does not have eyes. Instead, they use receptors on the top of their head to locate prey. They catch their prey by searching around rocks, and until they find what they want, the Pikachu sea slug uses a radula. A radula is a toothed structure in their mouth to scrape off whatever it is they want to eat. The Pikachu sea slug has a very strange but simple anatomy. On the outside, unlike most nudibranches, they are completely symmetrical on both sides, but only externally, not internally. Unlike most other nudibranches, the Cassera pacifica really only has a mouth with a radula and a gut. Their eyes are in their body and are only about a quarter millimeter in diameter. They are made up of a lens of 5 photoreceptors. Their eyes plus the receptors on their head make it so that they can have really good eyesight. They breathe by using what is called a naked gill in the shape of plumes on their back. These organs that protrude out are called cerata. The Cassera pacifica can grow up to 25 millimeters. The sea Pikachu is a translucent orange animal decorated with black bands shading into electric blue and white. This is the only nudibranch that has a symmetrical exterior and a non-symmetrical interior. These two images were both captured on September 2nd, 2006. As you can see, the image to the right is comparing the Cassera pacifica to a Pikachu, which is found in the show Pokémon and also in the game Pokémon Go. The habitat and known locations of the Cassera pacifica is that they can be found all across the Indian Ocean and the Western Pacific. Some of them can be found off of the Gulf of Mexico. However, scientists believe that those are a completely different species. They can both live and adapt in most conditions, making them such an interesting species. The funding that we would need for our research is that we would need approximately $4 million for about 1.5 years of research, which in turn can be sold to researchers for profit or break even into the newfound facts and details on this animal that we do not know much about yet. The technology that we would need to research this species is: we would need plenty of scuba gear to dive down and study it. We would also need computers to help us input data and keep files on the animal. We would need a good boat to get us to a diving spot where we can find our animal. And finally, we would need a submarine because some of the Cassera pacificas can be found up to 8,000 feet down. These are the sources that we use to gather all of our information for the slides. Thank you for listening to our project on the Gazera pacifica, and I hope that you enjoyed.